Now I just harvested this from the trellis under the calamansi tree. So let's call this a red-fleshed no ID from the calamansi trellis. The calamansi trellis, yeah, that sounds good to me. I'm gonna cut into this. It's only 12 ounces. Let's see what the... Not very big. Top to bottom, 3.7 inches. So it's less than 4 inches from top to bottom. We're going to get the brick score in just a moment. I'll have to cut this open. I'm cutting it open right now with one hand. I don't like doing that. It's kind of scary. Oh, it opened up. It's a scary knife from Japan. My brother brought that home. Look at the interior of this thing. This looks like our ugly bucket variety. That's neon. To the naked eye, it looks a lot darker in color. I'm looking at the video right now that's coming through, and it definitely looks deeper. It looks more fluorescent on digital. So I was able to scoop out some of the flesh into this tea strainer. And we're going to take the bricks. This is our fence rescue variety from the calamansi trellis. Oh, I just pressed the power. This is the measure. 17 flat. I'll have to do that twice. You know, did I cut this right in the middle? Well, 17. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try. That's very nice. It's not the sweetest we've ever had, but it's very nice. 17%.